I'm putting on pearls, I'm putting on pumps, got a little lace apron on me. Gonna make you stop, gonna make you wanna watch me do the laundry. Gonna put some fun back in this.
I resent that question. I don't believe it's stealing. They leave it there for you. They need to put a new one there anyway. I resent that question. So yes, I take my mini shampoos and conditioners. Mag Dog. Mag Dog in the AM. I would never. Yes, I have tattoos. I have a tattoo. It's 3 little birds right here, if you can see. And I have 2 sisters, and I guess it's just the 3 of us. I kind of carry them with me wherever. Crunch berries!